turn up. You better be there when I shake.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Amy, and today's video is going to be a wrap with me. I think it's called a wrap chat, kind of like a laundro chat, but instead of folding laundry, I'll be wrapping presents because with 5 kids and my husband and all like the family and stuff, I have a lot of stuff to wrap. I'm obviously not going to wrap it all here on camera, but I am doing this video as a collab with my friend Samantha from the channel Mama Approved. She is just the sweetest, most down-to-earth mama here on YouTube. I love her channel, so make sure to go check her out. She's a homeschooling mom. She's about to have her 4th baby and her first baby girl, which I'm super excited for her. And so we decided to do a wrap chat slash Christmas tag. So instead of doing it like Q&A style or having a topic of conversation, we found some Christmas questions. So we're just going to answer those while we get some wrapping done. So hopefully you'll enjoy this style of video. If you do, give it a big thumbs up. And make sure after my video, go show Samantha some love and let her know that I sent you. I know you guys will love her. If you don't follow her already, you will love her. And she's also super active on Instagram too, and that's where I am. Like if I'm not on YouTube, you can almost always find me on Instagram. I just love keeping up to date with other mamas and stuff over there, so make sure to go follow me there if you're not already. And I'm in my pajamas, you guys. I have church tomorrow, and I actually will be at all 3 services tomorrow because they pick like a different person each week to read the scripture that the pastor is preaching from. And so a couple months ago they called and asked me if I would be willing to read the passages from the Bible tomorrow before he gets started on his sermon, and I said yes. So I have to be there for all 3 services, so it's going to be a long day, like 5 hours at church tomorrow, but I'm excited and I feel honored that they asked me. So the first question is, what is your favorite Christmas tradition? I think that my favorite Christmas tradition, like what comes to my mind, is just like the week before Thanksgiving, pulling out all of our Christmas stuff and decorating our house as a family. It's just so exciting to pull out all the Christmas stuff and see all the favorite things that we've bought over the years as far as decorations or that the kids have made, and they're always so excited to see ornaments that they made when they were a lot younger and things like that. So I would have to say that's like one of my favorite traditions. And just being with the kids, and like Christmas is so much more magical when you have kids. I just love it. Where do you spend Christmas? So we have a really big family, like especially on my side, and we have a rule that we like don't go anywhere on Christmas because we just want our kids to be able to wake up on Christmas at whatever time they want and open their presents and then just play with their stuff and not feel rushed to like open things and then leave and not enjoy them. So traditionally what we do is we'll do Christmas Eve at my in-laws and Christmas Day at our house with just Kirk and I and the kids. And then we always have Christmas with my family around like the 27th to the 30th, just depending on what's going on. And we usually do that out at their cabin, and that's so much fun. So we're doing that this year as well, and it just works for our family. I remember in the very beginning of our marriage, we tried to fit like my family in and his family in all in one day, and it was just stressful and not enjoyable. And so how we do it now, it just works out. So that's how we do that. What is your favorite Christmas song? Oh my goodness, that's really hard. I feel like I love all the Christmas songs. I mean, there's a couple that are kind of annoying, but as soon as there's Christmas music on the radio, like that's what we listen to through Christmas. But then it's like the day after Christmas, I'm ready to be done. Like a lot of people will do Christmas, like leave up their decor and things like that through the new year. But it's like I get started like pretty much as soon as you can. And so by the time Christmas comes, I'm just like, I love Christmas Day, but then the next day I'm ready to be like cleaning up my house and getting back to normal and getting ready for the new year. But I can't pick a favorite song. I pretty much went on a little tangent there. Do you decorate before or after Thanksgiving? So I like to enjoy our Christmas tree on Thanksgiving, but my husband is like, you have to wait until after Thanksgiving to decorate. But we usually compromise and we'll do it like 1 or 2 days before Thanksgiving, so I'm not doing it like at the beginning of November or something like that. But tinsel or garland? I do not do tinsel. I remember my dad doing tinsel when I was a kid, and that stuff is messy, and he was a perfectionist about it. But I love me some garlands, all kinds of garlands, like pom-pom garlands and all kinds of garlands. I love garlands. Who are you most excited to see this Christmas season? Well, I'm not traveling anywhere, and I don't think, unless like somebody's surprising me, there's not like somebody that doesn't live close to me that I'm gonna see. So I'm just excited to be with my family this Christmas, and that we're healthy and fortunate enough to be together, because I know, you know, this Christmas will be hard for some families that they're not able to see family and things like that. This is really hard. Samantha, do you agree? When you're watching my video, was it hard for you to wrap and answer questions? I feel like I've gotten like, this is all I've gotten done, and I'm already on like the 6th question. Let's see. Do you own an ugly Christmas sweater? I don't own an ugly Christmas sweater. I own a couple like Christmassy things, but they're not ugly sweaters. I don't own an ugly Christmas sweater. I did help Natalie, my second oldest daughter. Last year I helped her make one. I think we actually have a video of it up on our channel, and I'm sure I won't remember to link it, so I'm not even gonna say that I tried, or that I'm gonna try, because I'm really bad about that. But last year we just did like a DIY one because she needed one for a school event or something, and it turned out really cute. We just took like ornaments that we had and pom-poms and stuff like that, and we made her one, and it turned out, yes, it was ugly, but it was like, she's so cute. Anything's cute on her, even an ugly Christmas sweater. So it had like a real Santa ornament like standing on the shoulder right here. It was so cute. You guys know what I need is some tags, like to put like the to and from on. I'm just gonna use a Sharpie marker on this. Call me ghetto, but that's what I'm gonna do because I need to buy some tags. But this one is all wrapped up, and I have a Sharpie marker right here, and I'm gonna put a bow on. What color do you guys think that I should do? I got this big thing of bows at Costco. Same with this wrapping paper. I love getting these giant rolls. Like, it's so fun to get those kits that have like a million different, I don't know, not a million, but it's got like 4 different rolls and they're all coordinating. But for like storing things, I like simple and simplicity, and the quality of these Costco ones is just so good. It's really thick, durable paper, so it doesn't tear really easy or get holes in it. So, and you can, it's double-sided, so it's got 2 prints in 1 roll, and these rolls last forever, I swear. I did get a new one this year, but this one's from last year and we still have a ton. So I'm gonna put a gold bow on this, I think. And I'm not gonna tell you who it's for because my kids watch my videos, and that's why I could never do like what I got my kids for Christmas or what I got my husband, because they watch the videos. How does that look, you guys? I'm just gonna write on it. I have like this giant one to wrap, but I don't know if I can do it on camera because it's kind of awkward. I feel like I'm gonna get up on my hands and knees because it's like a giant box, but I need to wrap it. Okay, so the next question is, what is one Christmas food you cannot live without? One Christmas food? I don't know. Like, when I think of like a holiday food, like I think Thanksgiving, like green bean casserole and marshmallow yams and stuffing and turkey and stuff like that. But for Christmas, like we don't traditionally have like a Christmas food. I guess I'm gonna have to go like generic and say Christmas cookies. Like, I love all the cookie exchanges and making cookies with my kids and stuff like that, so I guess that would be my answer. But it's not like one specific cookie. Natalie recently made those, I think they're called peanut butter blossoms or something. It's like a peanut butter cookie with a chocolate kiss pushed in the center. Those are so good. This is a big present for Riker and Hadley, and I cannot wait for them to open it. I'm like so excited. I probably will film a video, you guys. I don't know though, because then people are like, you're just doing this to brag, and like I would never intentionally get on YouTube and show what I bought or what I got to brag. That is totally not my style. If you know me, then you know that like I wouldn't do that. But I do love like getting ideas from other people's videos when they post those, like what I got my husband or what I got my kids. Like I love those videos. But like I said, my kids love watching our YouTube channel, so I couldn't film that because then they would just clearly know everything they got. What do you guys think about me showing you like some of the things that we got the kids, or whatever I get or whatever? Let me know down in the comments if you would like to see something like that, just for ideas of things that you might want to get somebody for their birthday or whatever. But it would not be from like a bragging standpoint at all. Peppermint or gingerbread? That's like a really easy one for me, I think. I would definitely say gingerbread. I'm not a huge peppermint fan. There's some things that are peppermint that I like. Natalie got these peppermint cookies at Target a couple weeks ago, and they tasted like those Thin Mints from the Girl Scout company when they have those peppermint cookies. They tasted just like those, and I did really like that. But in general, I'm not like a peppermint fan. And like peppermint toothpaste, I don't like that. I do like the peppermint essential oil from Young Living, but in general, like peppermint gum or toothpaste, it's just not my thing. So, or like peppermint brownies, definitely not my thing. So I would say gingerbread. Leave me a comment down below. What would you choose? Gingerbread or peppermint? Have you ever tried a fruitcake? Heck no. Those things look so nasty, you guys. I remember being a kid and looking like at those gelatin fruit things. Why do those even exist? I don't think I've ever met anyone that likes those. Do you guys like those? No. No. Okay, what is one thing you asked for this Christmas? So I asked my husband, there's actually not like a lot that I asked for this year, but I do feel like the things that I want are kind of expensive. Like I really want one of the Aria diffusers from Young Living. It's like this, I'll try and remember to put a picture up here, but it's a wood and glass dome diffuser for essential oils, and it's got a remote, and I think it does like some sounds and things like that. There's also this new rollerball set from Young Living that I really want, but it's $200, so it's kind of expensive. I want a new camera for my YouTube stuff. I want a ring light. So I feel like all the things that I want are really expensive, and I definitely don't expect them all, that's for sure, but those are the things that I want this Christmas. Okay, the last question. If you could be any Christmas movie character, who would you be? Oh my goodness. I think I would want to be Cindy Lou Who from The Grinch, because she's like so cute, and I don't know, just the Grinch movie with Jim Carrey, it would be fun to like film with him and stuff like that. I actually took Riker to go see the new cartoon version of the Grinch, and it is super cute. You guys, normally I'm not a big movie person, and I'm definitely not like a big cartoon person, but it's a super cute movie. So if you haven't seen that and you have kids, or even if you don't have kids, it's a really cute movie. But the Jim Carrey version is really good still too, of course. That's really good. They're both really good. So I think that's who I would choose to be, maybe. I don't know. Alright, you guys, so I got a whole whopping 2 presents wrapped. This one and this one. So just these 2 things are all that I got wrapped. I guess I'm a slow wrapper, or I have not good multitasking skills, because for me it seemed really hard to like read and answer questions and be an efficient wrapper. So I still have a lot of wrapping. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Go check out Samantha's video over at Mama Approved, and I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!